Hello and welcome to Credit Hustle Finance, where we help entrepreneurs and business owners just like yourself build bank-friendly credit profiles so you can get approved for the maximum amount of money possible to build your dream business. I'm going to be your host, Richard Dang, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about KIKOFF. Now, how many of you know that it's important to add positive credit to your credit history? It's not just good enough when you're restoring your credit to take away or get rid of the negative items if you're not adding positive items. Also, if you look in the descriptions after watching the end of this video, there's going to be some bonus material we're going to be giving away. So you want to look in the descriptions after viewing the channel. Don't forget to also subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Other than that, let's jump in. All right, so let's talk about KIKOFF. Now, we know when it comes to building credit, you find yourself in a catch-22 because if you have no credit, then no one wants to give you or extend you credit. So it's like, how can I build the credit if no one will give me a loan? Or if you have bad credit, you're in the same situation. So with KIKOFF, it kind of kicks you off in a way. All right, so let's talk about this. All right, so it's really simple. I love this company, great leadership, but let's read into it. All right, so build credit in 3 steps. Apply for a KIKOFF credit account. Get instantly approved after verifying your information. No hard pull. That's awesome because it's not going to put a hard inquiry on your credit. That's great. Number 2, buy something on credit. Activate your account with a purchase from the KIKOFF store. Okay. Now, number 3, pay back monthly. Making on-time payments month after month may increase your credit limit. And so what this does is it gives individuals who may not be in the best position to actually obtain credit an opportunity to kind of obtain credit and start building. And so with this is a good step, and I would recommend signing up for this product right away. Okay, so let me go into it. Let's read a little bit more on how it works. So how it works. To reach your financial goals, start by showing the world you can be trusted. After you're approved and you've completed a purchase, make sure to make each on-time payment according to your payment schedule. Over time, your payment history can be your greatest asset, and we all know that that is true. Your payment history accounts for 35% of your overall credit score matrix. And what that means is it has the most heavy weight when it comes to what the FICO score computer or software, which is quote unquote a algorithm, what the algorithm calculates when it comes to commuting and boosting your credit. Okay, but beware, missing payments can also be your biggest liability. So they're basically saying, hey, this is a second chance or a KIKOFF type of account. But if you don't make your payments on time, that negative history can affect your credit. So, of course, just purchase something small and make some minimum payments and build your credit history. Okay. Let's see what makes KIKOFF different. Your KIKOFF credit is designed to grow with you. The more in-store purchases and on-time payments you make, the more access to financial opportunities we give you. Think access to personal lending products, cashback on purchases, exclusive content, and more. Other credit builders are out to get you with hidden fees and high interest rate. KIKOFF is the opposite. We want to be educational and accessible and affordable, of course. 0 interest, 0 fees. That is heavy, ladies and gentlemen. So basically what you want to do is you want to look at the bottom of this page. You want to follow the link to KIKOFF, and you want to go ahead, sign up, make a very small purchase. Okay. And with this, I've heard people, and this is with all credit builders account. In most cases, the item is going to be overpriced. Okay. I've heard some people in the past complain about that, but that's not the purpose of this. The purpose of this is to don't worry. Like, for example, even with New Coast Direct or My Jewelry's Club or any of the other, credit builder type accounts that I'm going to be telling you about, there is a small investment to make. And for example, with My Jewelry Club, when I first got started, I purchased 2 watches. All right. And I think the total came up to, I don't know. I think my first total was like 156. So I may have purchased 1 watch the first time. The second time I purchased a couple of watches, but I just purchased something small, $50 or something, make a couple of payments on it. And that's kind of how you have to do it when it comes to building. So don't worry about, what actual product you're getting. Just find something if it's usable. Like with New Coast Direct, I got a grill. I had to spend $100. I went ahead and got a $99 grill. It was really good. I mean, it was overpriced a little bit, but by it impacting my credit score and putting me over into the excellent credit realm, that was the payoff that I was looking for. I wasn't looking for a grill, even though I was able to use the grill, of course. You're not looking for these actual products, but you do, try to find something that you can put some use to. But for the overarching idea behind this whole concept of building credit is not to focus on the small things, but focus on the big picture and see, what? I'm purchasing this. I'm making a small investment in my credit, but I'm doing this all to get to the 700 club. So in 9 months from now, 6 months from now, 12 months from now, when you have excellent credit and you can get the $25,000 flagship Navy credit, American Express, credit cards, and you start getting $10,000 offers and getting all of these different offers in the mail, then you see, wait, hold up. It wasn't about the product. So